welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice. If you're new here, I make videos basically giving advice on whatever you send in, whatever questions you have, and I will also be making videos about candle making. Because as you can tell by the title of this video, I am officially launching my candle business on Etsy.com. You can find me by going to Etsy and typing in Ahh Scents. That would be AHHSCENTS. And that is where you can find all my babies. I'm really excited about finally launching this business. I have been working on it for, I believe, over a year. But you know, it's finally here. The candles are finally finished and they are available for sale. You can go on my Etsy shop and order as many as you want. So each one of them have a burn time of 40 to 60 hours. I wanted to make sure to create a candle that will last you a long time in your home, that would fill your home with joy, that would help you create an ambiance to your home that you want, that whenever you walk in, you can really take in a deep breath and like let out a sigh of relief, like that you're comfortable, you know, in your home. Each candle also comes with a wooden wick. You focus. Each candle also comes with a crackling wooden wick. So when you do light these candles, there will be a crackling sound in your home. No worries, that is perfectly normal. There's 7 different scents available, and that ranges from, you know, Joy is Here. Joy is Here has notes of cinnamon, vanilla, and bourbon, and it smells like basically fresh baked cookies coming out of the oven. It's very vanilla-y, so if you love vanilla, this is a candle for you. It's just it's like a candle that's on the sweeter side of the scent field. And that also goes to Good Morning. Good Morning is basically what your morning coffee will smell like. My favorite order of coffee is hazelnut coffee, so I really wanted to create a candle that smelled like that to help motivate me and to like pipe me up and give me energy to keep going when I have things to do. So it really honestly smells like your morning coffee. So that's one of our more grown-up scents. And then we have also a more sensual scent, which is Growth Takes Time. This one has notes of jasmine, leather, and sandalwood. So this is the one I call my grown-up scent. My grown-up scent, because of the sandalwood. I think this is just a great scent for, you know, your sitting rooms, your lobby area. And then we have more, I don't know, refreshing scents, lighter scents, like Refresh. And Refresh has notes of grapefruit, rose, and vanilla. And I promise you, like, I think this one is probably like one of my favorites in the entire collection. It's a very light scent, but it's a light scent that still fills up the room, and it's still very, like, its presence is still very known in the room. The mint in the candle helps give it this refreshing scent that really just makes you feel rejuvenated when you smell it. And I also have one. These two are, I consider, my stress relief, my relax a bit candles. That is finding peace and stress relief. For stressful days, I like to light my my stress relief candle. It has the mint, eucalyptus, and cedarwood. And just for like relaxing and whatnot, I like to burn Finding Peace, because it has notes of citrus, lavender, and powder, and it's a very soothing scent. And you know, after I've had a long day, that's the baby to light in the home. And then, of course, there is Self-Care, which is another one of my favorite. It has notes of ozone, linen, and sandalwood, and this one is more of a clean scent. It's lush linen. It smells like you just did the laundry, but bougie. The great thing about these candles is that they also come with accompanying wax melt. So if you're more of a wax melt individual, you prefer to use that in your home, each scent has its, its own wax melt version. Like I said, 7 different scents, so you can, get whichever wax melt you want, and you can use that in your home. You open them, and then you can break off a piece, a little cube, and put it in your wax warmers at home, and you've created the ambiance you want in your home. It's all great. But yeah, these are my babies. I've worked really, really hard on them, and to get one, you can go to Etsy.com and type in my company name. That is Ahh Scents, AHHSCENTS, and get your own. Free shipping for orders over $35. And I pray that as you guys get these candles and you receive your packages, that they fill your home with, everything good, everything great. And they just really make you feel as amazing as I did when I was creating them, and as amazing as I do when I smell them. And I just wish you guys all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for picking up your candles and ordering them. And, for more videos and to stay updated with, what's going on with me, you can follow me on all my social media handles. Instagram, TikTok, at Abebi, ABEBI_Eunice, or my company Instagram at Ahh Scents, AHHSCENTS. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on when I post videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching again. Thank you for ordering your candles. All love. Thank you guys so much. Bye. See you next time. As a special offer to all my YouTube viewers, you can use the code YouTube15 to get 15% off your entire order. Thank you so much for all the love. Bye.